In this quick guide, you'll learn how to add an embed form from Klaviyo into your Shopify store using GemPages. This process is straightforward and will help you enhance your website by integrating a Klaviyo form seamlessly into your Shopify pages. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to locate and copy your 6-character Klaviyo form ID. This is a unique alphanumeric code that identifies your specific form. To find this, open your Klaviyo account and navigate to the form you want to embed. As you edit the form, take a look at the URL in your browser. Towards the end of this URL, right after the part that says /form/, you'll see your 6-character form ID. Go ahead and copy this code as you'll need it in just a moment. Next, head over to your Shopify store and open GemPages. If you're not already familiar with GemPages, it's a powerful drag-and-drop page builder that allows you to customize the look and feel of your Shopify store. Once you're in GemPages, decide which page you want to add the Klaviyo form to. This could be a landing page, a product page, or any other page where you think a sign-up form would be beneficial. Now, inside GemPages, you'll see a left-hand sidebar menu. In this menu, either locate or use the search function to find the Klaviyo element. This element is specifically designed to integrate Klaviyo forms into your pages, making the process incredibly simple. Once you've found the Klaviyo element, drag and drop it directly onto the page where you want the sign-up form to appear. You can adjust its position as needed to ensure it fits perfectly with your page layout. With the Klaviyo element in place, it's time to paste your form ID. Click on the Klaviyo element you just added, and you'll see an option to enter your form ID. Paste the 6-character code you copied earlier into this field. This step is crucial because it links the form you created in Klaviyo to the GemPages element on your Shopify store, ensuring that the form functions correctly. Finally, don't forget to save your work. In GemPages, there's typically a Save button located at the top or bottom of the editor. Clicking this will ensure all your changes are preserved, and your new Klaviyo form will be live on your Shopify page. And there you have it. You've successfully added an embed form from Klaviyo into Shopify using GemPages. By following these steps, you can easily collect customer information and grow your email list, directly benefiting your marketing efforts. Remember, integrating forms like these not only helps with customer engagement, but also enhances your store's functionality. If you run into any issues, make sure to double-check that you've copied the correct form ID and that it's been pasted correctly into the Klaviyo element. Sometimes, small errors can cause the form not to display, so a quick review can often solve any problems. Thanks for watching, and happy form embedding.